He almost went out.
You can't rest. He's over there. Over there.
Top right corner, top right corner. He's at the window.
That's better than you.
Oh, so close.
Give it to me, kid.
Oh, you're getting closer.
Where'd he go?
But top right corner. Top right corner.
Oh, break the weapon off.
He's coming over left, top left. He's getting weaker. He's getting weaker.
Watch, he's about to give up and he goes outside.
He's slowing down. Hope you're in shape. This is better training than Rocky. Oh! It's fluttering. Oh! Are you okay? Eventually, he's just going to let you get him. Just don't hurt him when you catch him. He went to the light. It's on the light. Oh! Poor little guy, he's fluttering. We got him. He's tired. All right, let him rest.
Can we keep him?
Yeah, we're going to get a cage.